Good morning, students. Let's start our chapter number 2 with the topic relative density. Students, the relative density of a substance is defined as what? The ratio of the density of the substance to the density of water. What is its symbol? Symbol is RD, relative density. Therefore, we can say that the relative density of a substance equals to what? Density of the substance divided by the density of water. Suppose the density of iron, one example we take, is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube and the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Then what will be the relative density of iron? Density of iron divided by density of water. That means what is the density of iron here? 7.8 gram per centimeter cube divided by 1 gram per centimeter cube. When you will solve this, you will get the answer 7.8. Okay. So, students, the density of a substance is the mass of 1 centimeter cube of that substance. Therefore, we can say that the relative density of a substance is what? Mass of 1 centimeter cube of the substance divided by mass of 1 centimeter cube of water. That means mass of V centimeter cube of the substance divided by mass of V centimeter cube of water. That means mass of any volume of the substance divided by the mass of same volume of what? Same volume of water. Thus, we can say that the relative density of a substance is the ratio of the mass of any volume of the substance to the mass of equal volume of water. Okay, students. So, we can say that the relative density of iron, here in the example 7.8, we mean that the piece of iron of any volume is having how much? 7.8 times mass that of an equal volume of water. So what is the unit of density? This relative density? Students, relative density is just a number. Okay, it has no unit. It is dimensionless quantity. It is a ratio of the same quantities. That is why it is not having any unit. It is just a number. So the measurement of relative density of liquid, how we can do that? We can do that. The relative density of a liquid is measured by using density bottle, and this we can understood by the following activity. To determine the relative density of a liquid using a density bottle. Student, first of all, you have to take an empty dry density bottle. Then you have to find its mass m1 by using a beam balance. Now you have to fill the bottle completely with water and you have to insert that stopper that I have told you earlier also. The extra water will come out through the hole in the stopper. Now dry the outer surface. Okay, then you have to measure the mass of the bottle again on a beam balance. Now suppose the mass is what? M2 gram. Okay, now you have to empty that bottle and again you have to dry it. Now you have to fill the bottle again completely with the given liquid. Again you have to put the stopper. The extra liquid, if any will be there, then it will overflow through the hole which is in the stopper. Now you have to dry it and you have to measure the mass of the bottle again. Suppose now the mass is what? M3 gram. Now students, mass of the bottle, empty bottle was M1 gram. Mass of the bottle plus water, okay, M2 gram. Mass of the bottle with the liquid, M3 gram. That means the mass of the water we will find out how? M2 minus M1. And mass of the liquid, M3 minus M1 gram. Okay, now the relative density of a liquid. How? The mass of the liquid divided by the mass of equal volume of water. Clear? That means M3 minus M1 gram divided by M2 minus M1 gram. Clear? Now, if we just take some values here, now if M1 is 25 gram, M2 is 55 gram and M3 is 49 gram, then what will be the relative density RD? 14. So first of all, what? That M3 minus M1. What is M3 here? 49 minus M1, 25 gram. Then divided by M2 minus M1. M2 is what? 55 gram minus M1, again 25 gram. When we will solve this, what will be the answer coming? 24 by 30. When you will solve this, 0.8 will be the relative density of liquid. Okay, students. Now we will see the density of a substance in its different state. A substance can exist, students, you know very well, that in three states: solid, liquid and gas. For example, ice, water and steam. These are the three states of same substance. Which substance, students? Yes, water. Right. According to the molecular model, we have read that the molecules of solid are closely packed, liquid loosely packed, while in gases they are too loosely packed. That is why a substance is highly dense in solid state, less in what? Dense in liquid state, and still less dense in which state, students? Gaseous state. Thus, we can say that the density of a substance in solid state is more than that in which state? Liquid state. And density of substance in liquid state is more than that in gaseous state. Now, there is one exception also, students. Just have a look here. The density of ice is less than water. Density of ice is 0.917 gram per centimeter cube, while of water is what? 1.00 gram per centimeter cube. And that of steam is what? 0.00057 gram per centimeter cube. Students, there is one table given which gives you the density and the relative density of some common substances. I will show you this here. Just to have a look on this density and relative density of some common substances. Okay, students, for today up till here. Thank you.